Picture a typical London morning where the rain drizzles down, casting a grey hue over the streets. The fast-paced, emotionless crowd shuffles along, heads down, lost in their own worlds. The sound of footsteps echoes, blending with the soft patter of rain, creating a melancholic symphony. In this urban jungle, the metaphor of a lion in a cage emerges, reflecting England's current state, calm yet trapped. The vibrant life of the city seems subdued, as if each person carries the weight of invisible chains. This imagery invites contemplation on how the hustle and bustle masks a deeper emotional struggle. As the camera pans through the streets, the contrast between the lively city and the somber atmosphere becomes stark, setting the stage for a deeper exploration of England's soul. As we shift our focus to the magnificent old churches and cathedrals, we are reminded of a time when faith defined the very essence of England. These grand structures stood as the heart of communities, where morality was nurtured and governance was intertwined with belief. The church was not just a place of worship, it was the cornerstone of daily life, guiding decisions and shaping values. In those days, the collective nature of belief fostered a sense of unity among the people. Communities gathered, sharing in rituals and traditions that reinforced their shared identity. The echoes of prayers and hymns filled the air, creating a tapestry of faith that bound individuals together. This historical reflection invites us to ponder how deeply faith once influenced every aspect of existence in England. As we transition to the Industrial Revolution, the visuals of factories and machinery dominate the landscape. The once sacred spaces of faith are replaced by the rhythmic clanking of gears and the relentless hum of engines. People begin to shift their focus from divine reliance to mechanical support, finding solace in the predictability of the system. This reliance marks a significant change in societal values, as the collective consciousness gradually realizes that God is no longer a necessity in their daily lives. The mechanical world offers a sense of stability, yet it comes at a cost. The warmth of community and faith gives way to the cold efficiency of industry, leading to a profound transformation in how individuals perceive their existence and purpose in an increasingly secular environment. As we gaze upon the modern visuals of empty churches, the silence within them speaks volumes. Individuals engrossed in their phones illustrate a stark contrast to the sacred spaces that once echoed with community and worship. England has not outright rejected God, rather, it has sidelined him, creating a paradox where perceived freedom coexists with heightened loneliness and anxiety. The very places that once fostered connection now stand abandoned, highlighting a societal shift. This shift reveals a troubling truth. While people feel liberated, they are increasingly isolated. The allure of technology and individualism has replaced communal faith, leaving many yearning for deeper connections. In this landscape of silence, we must ponder the cost of our choices and the void left in their wake. As the camera pans over isolated individuals against the backdrop of shimmering city lights at night, it becomes clear that while the economy functions seamlessly, something vital is missing. The voiceover delves into the emptiness that permeates modern life, highlighting how people move through their routines, yet struggle to find meaning and direction. Despite the efficiency of systems, the human spirit languishes in solitude. The vibrant city, alive with activity, starkly contrasts the inner desolation experienced by many. This juxtaposition serves as a poignant reminder that success in a material sense does not equate to fulfillment. The voiceover suggests that in our pursuit of progress, we may have sacrificed the very connections that nourish our souls, leaving us yearning for something more profound. As the camera slowly zooms out over the iconic London skyline, a critical question emerges. Can a society devoid of faith truly sustain itself? The vibrant city, bustling with life, stands as a testament to freedom achieved, yet this freedom feels hollow, without a deeper sense of purpose and community. The voiceover emphasizes that while individuals may enjoy the liberties of modern life, they often find themselves lost in a sea of isolation. The absence of shared beliefs and connections leaves a void that material success cannot fill. This moment invites the audience to reflect on their own lives, pondering whether true fulfillment lies in the pursuit of individual freedom or in the rediscovery of communal bonds and shared values that once defined society. As we return to the imagery of the lion in a cage, we are reminded of England's current predicament, trapped within an intricate system that offers freedom yet lacks fulfillment. The irony is palpable. Citizens roam the streets, seemingly liberated, yet their spirits remain confined. This visual metaphor compels us to reflect on our own lives. Are we truly free, or are we merely existing within the constraints of societal expectations? The lion, once a symbol of strength and majesty, now embodies the struggle for purpose in a world that prioritizes productivity over passion. This moment invites us to ponder our own sense of direction. In a society where fulfillment feels elusive, how do we reclaim our sense of purpose and break free from the invisible cage that binds us? Visuals of historical gatherings in churches reveal a vibrant tapestry of community, where faith united individuals in shared purpose and celebration. The voiceover reflects on how these moments fostered connection and belonging, contrasting sharply with modern scenes of solitary figures, each absorbed in their own world. This shift underscores a significant transition from collective worship to individual isolation. The voiceover questions the societal implications of this change over time, pondering whether the absence of communal faith has led to a deeper sense of loneliness. As the visuals transition from bustling congregations to quiet, empty spaces, it becomes clear that while society has evolved, the human spirit may have suffered. This contrast invites the audience to consider the value of connection and the potential void left by the decline of shared belief. As we navigate through the vibrant chaos of city life, filled with bustling streets and hurried footsteps, we encounter stark contrasts in quiet, empty spaces that echo with solitude. This juxtaposition reveals a profound irony. While society celebrates progress and technological advancements, it often sacrifices genuine human connection. The relentless pursuit of success has led to a paradox where individuals find themselves surrounded by others yet feel increasingly isolated. The advancements that promise convenience and efficiency come at a cost, leaving many yearning for deeper spiritual fulfillment. In this modern landscape, the essence of community and shared experiences fades, highlighting that true progress should not only measure economic growth, but also the richness of our connections and the depth of our shared humanity. As we observe people engrossed in their screens, the vibrant world around them fades into the background. This visual speaks volumes about our current reality, where human interaction is often replaced by digital communication. The voiceover underscores the critical need for genuine human connection, warning of the dangers that arise when we rely solely on technology. While systems may provide convenience, they cannot fulfill our emotional needs. The silence of a shared moment is replaced by the noise of notifications, leaving an unsettling void. This growing dependence on devices hints at a deeper issue, an emotional disconnection that technology cannot bridge. The void left by absent relationships is palpable, reminding us that true fulfillment lies in the bonds we create, not the screens we stare at. As we observe the intricate machinery of society operating seamlessly, a stark reality emerges. People are increasingly disconnected. The streets may be bustling with activity, yet the faces reveal a haunting emptiness. This efficiency, while impressive, raises a critical question. Can a society thrive when it prioritizes systems over the spiritual and emotional well-being of its individuals? The relentless pursuit of productivity comes at a cost, as the human spirit languishes in isolation. As we navigate through the structures designed to support us, we must ponder whether this path is sustainable. Can we truly flourish in a world where connection is sacrificed for convenience? As we reflect on our lives, we must ask ourselves if we are merely cogs in a machine, or if we can reclaim our sense of purpose and community. Visuals of vibrant community events from the past, filled with laughter and connection, stand in stark contrast to today's scenes of solitary individuals. The voiceover reflects on how faith and community once provided a profound sense of belonging and meaning in life. Gatherings in churches and public squares fostered relationships that transcended mere existence. Now, the isolation of modern living leaves many searching for purpose in a world dominated by technology. The voiceover urges the audience to consider what has been lost in this shift towards individualism. As we navigate through our daily routines, it is essential to recognize the value of shared experiences and the bonds formed through faith. This reflection invites contemplation on the importance of community in enriching our lives and sustaining our spirit. As the camera pans over individuals immersed in nature, we see a woman painting a vibrant sunset, her brushstrokes capturing the fleeting beauty around her. Nearby, a man sits quietly by a river, contemplating the gentle flow of water, seeking solace in its rhythm. The voiceover gently encourages viewers to explore these alternative sources of fulfillment, suggesting that art and nature can serve as pathways to deeper understanding. It hints at the innate human desire for connection and purpose, reminding us that fulfillment often lies beyond the confines of societal expectations. In a world increasingly defined by isolation, these moments of creativity and reflection become vital. They invite us to reconnect with ourselves and each other, fostering a sense of belonging and igniting the search for meaning in our lives. As the sun sets over the iconic London skyline, the city transforms into a tapestry of shimmering lights against the darkening sky. The voiceover gently poses a haunting question. Can society truly survive without faith? This moment invites contemplation about the future, urging viewers to reflect on their own beliefs and the role they play in shaping a meaningful existence. The visual transition from day to night symbolizes the shift from clarity to uncertainty, mirroring the inner struggles faced by many. In this age of rapid change, the absence of a guiding belief system leaves a void that echoes through the streets. Ultimately, the challenge remains. How will we navigate this complex landscape without a shared sense of purpose and connection?